953, my name is Kanji Coder. I'm making a game engine from complete scratch, and you're on the fast code review. Source code is actually right here, because this is the playlist, the fast playlist. Let's fucking go. In the bomb area function section in unit test main boom router functions, inside of unit test main boom spark that detonates a spark box, we added a little section label here, detonate vars spark. Now we've added this because all of these other functions have a similar theme, right? So boom laser detonates a laser box, and we've added a little about this section here, detonate vars for a laser. Okay, so a B16 is just a V16. We're gonna use the B16 and the B16 to bomb category, make sure the bomb category is a laser box, and then we're going to derive the X and Y tile value on our simulation tile map by using some basic tile map math here, index to XY formula. Also, we're going to take the V16 and convert it to an explosion shape right here. We'll do more logic in another video. Okay, detonate a Jax bomb. This boom Jax function is going to detonate a Jax bomb at this coordinate on the tile map. A Jax bomb with this V16 value. Here's an explanation of this function. Detonate vars Jax. This is the same idea, except this time the bomb category needs to be a Jax bomb category, otherwise we're going to throw an error. Get the tile X and Y from the index, get the explosion shape from a lookup table. More in the next video. Okay, unit test main boom box. We're going to detonate a box bomb at this one-dimensional address, this V16 bomb value, right? So these are going in, and these are going in the same exact order, except we got an I for input. Let's go down here. Okay. About this function, we're going to detonate a box proximity mine at the coordinates. So a B16 is just a V16 on the bomb layer. We're going to use that B16 to get the bomb category. That bomb category better be a box bomb, otherwise we're going to throw an error. Okay, MSX and MSY, the tile value on our 16 by 16, use some basic tile map math to get that, and then convert the V16 to an explosion shape using our rule bomb lookup table. And then we'll do more in another video, okay? And then down here, we have kind of footnotes of what we did previously and some other footnotes and stuff, but we ain't got no fucking time to go over that. You want to go over that? You're going to have to check out the code right here. We've been on the fast code review. For a longer 10-minute version of this video, Ninja Playlist 10 is for you. And if you just want tech demos because this makes your brain hurt, Weeboo Playlist 10. There is a video 953 for each one of these. My name is Kanji Coder.